Next, I'm going to click Strategies in the left-hand menu. Strategies are platforms that find market ideas, do the work for us, and give us potential setups for us to capitalize within the markets. Well, maybe you don't know what that means. Maybe you're brand new and overwhelmed. Don't be, because each of these has a full breakdown of what each strategy is, how many trades it does, and what educators teach about the strategy and how I can capitalize off of it, and the languages included as well. So if I want to learn about the harmonics, right, I can go to Go Live Languages in English, and I can go see Videsh or Jean-Marc or Manny or Ray or Jonathan, Fanny, Boss, right? I can go learn from these educators on how I can capitalize off of this. Now, if I click it, it's actually going to give me access to a harmonic scanner. That's going to find potential market ideas that I can capitalize within the markets. And if I'm brand new, I'm going to leverage the educators on Go Live to help me learn how to use this. Now, what is Go Live? Well, going back to my IM Center menu, the next tab is Go Live.